Hello again, guys. Pompey Picker back again. So today I want to show you something that arrived this morning, and it's this beautiful little Lowe and Fletcher padlock, which I think it's just a single lever padlock. That's the key. So this section would throw the bolt, and that's the single lever that lifts the lever to open the lock. But it's quite an interesting lock because it says on there Norwich electricity department, and what we have is, when we open it up and take the key out, there's this little flap opens up, and I can only assume it's to place a piece of paper inside the flap. And once it's locked back up, obviously if the paper is damaged in some way, then it shows that it's been tampered with. So beautiful little thing. Yeah, great little lock. So I can get the key in, yeah, and there it goes open, and there she is, all locked up. Now I did make a pick the other week for another Lowe and Fletcher lock, which was in one of my previous videos, and I thought, well, maybe that would work, because if you look at the key, it's not too far off. So I'm thinking, yeah, maybe we'll give that a go and see if we can get that picked. But the only way I can actually do this is if I put a bit of weight on the shackle, lock it back up, and I can put it in a device like so. Yeah, so using the tension tool that I made for the other Lowe and Fletcher lock, I've had to fashion a extremely thin pick wire, because the opening on that section of the lock is very small. So I'll put it in and turn it just a fraction, and place the pick wire just inside, and with a bit of luck I can get both of them round. So can you see that tension? A bit tricky. Let's see if we can get a better view on that. So yeah, tension on, and just lift that single lever, and there she goes. So the weight of that WB helped to just pull the shackle down, because I only have two hands. So, but yeah, it's absolutely beautiful little lock, something different. Yeah, the Norwich electricity department, maybe used on a meter of some sort, maybe, not sure. But yeah, just thought I'd share that with you guys. So that's about it for today. Stay safe, everybody, and I'll speak to you again soon.